All right, everyone's shouting about Altseason, but right now, things are more complicated than you think. There are legit signals in the market, but it's not yet a full-blown mania. And if you act like it is, you could get burned. First off, Bitcoin dominance is falling. It's dropped from over 61% earlier in the year down to roughly 58.8%. That decline could hint at some capital rotation into altcoins, but plenty of analysts warn that it might not mean Altseason is here just yet. Why the hesitation? On-chain data suggests this isn't a full risk-on alt run. Instead, some see the market going through a cleansing phase, deleveraging rather than aggressively rotating. That means some of the drop in dominance is because people are simply reducing leverage, not swinging into altcoins en masse. Now, if you look more technically, there are bullish setups for alts. According to some chart analysts, the breakdown in BTC dominance could be more structural, and altcoins might outperform if capital continues shifting. That said, this kind of rotation usually needs time and follow-through. There are also some macro tailwinds potentially in favor of altcoins right now. With rate cut odds increasing, liquidity could flow back into riskier crypto assets, altcoins in particular. That said, it's not a guarantee, but it's a realistic scenario. And yes, some analysts have pointed out that Bitcoin's dominance chart has been showing bearish patterns for weeks. They even called the recent rally in Bitcoin a dead cat bounce, suggesting we might be in a structural downtrend in BTC dominance, which historically could pave the way for altcoin strength. Still, not everyone is convinced. Market observers argue that altcoins haven't yet shown the on-chain congestion or fee spikes that usually accompany real alt-season cycles. That means even though BTC dominance is falling, we might just be watching a reset, not a widespread altcoin launch. But here's where it gets interesting for you. Because if you play this smart, if you don't just YOLO into every meme coin, you could be positioned for something big. Not guaranteed, not a moonshot, but possible. Here's what I'd actually do if I were you. Keep some capital ready. Don't go all in right now. Watch BTC dominance closely. If it keeps dropping, that's a big signal. Focus on alts with real fundamentals, real use cases, not just hopes and hype. Use the next few weeks to accumulate, not to gamble. So what are you going to do? Are you doubling down on altcoins now? Or staying patient, waiting for clearer confirmation? Because right now, either strategy could make sense, depending on how bold or smart you want to be. If you think Altseason might actually be brewing, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Which alt are you betting on and why? Let's ride this together, but let's not do it like idiots. Crypto Scope out.